be cooking once again, and today our cooking thingy is gonna be a ham. Let's go! Woo! So, the price of the ham is about like $3. You could probably get it for cheaper. Yeah. So here we got our pan, right? We got our pan, and then boom, we got our meat. Now, that's step 1 complete, and it's on to step 2. So you just head right over here and turn it on. I like to turn it on to about medium, and I'll be back to you guys in like a bit. While we're waiting for the ham to cook, let's dance. Do you hear that? I think it's time.
Yeah, Kurt, you gotta do something like that.
Let's get cooking. Hear that? That's the sound of sizzling. That's what you want to hear, and that's when you know the ham's cooking. So we're going to flip it over, take a peek on how long it's been going for. Alright, so we got a little bit of browning over here and over here. We got some bit more pinky spot, but this is still pretty not cooked enough yet. So we still gotta leave this on, and we'll be checking back up on it. Probably do one more flip, and then we'll finish it. All right. See you then. All right, it's time to check in on that other side. Should always do this with one hand. Okay, there we go. There's some browning. Though I do still think it needs to cook a bit more. I don't know. Are there diseases you can get from pig? There's probably lots of diseases you can get from pig. So we're going to continue cooking this thing because it looks gray other than the brown areas. So, you know. Yeah. Alrighty, so this is looking pretty done. So we're going to go put it on the plate, and then we're going to pick out our vegetables. Yeah. Alright, so our first vegetable of the day is the stringless sugar snap peas. No need to cook these. They're already ready. Just water them, and then you can add them right to your plate. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Our next item is going to be a banana. Now normally I would probably use a pineapple or a apple or something with a little bit more oomph to the flavor. But today, feeling a little bit laid back, so we're just going to go with a classic banana. Now you're going to want your sharpest knife for this, as bananas can be a little bit tough, but you want to slice them. Stop it. Remember to position yourself around the banana to have maximum effect. Wow. Now ain't that something? Wow. Now ain't that one for the Instagrams? But wait, we're not quite done. We've got to get a drink, of course. Tonight's drink is a Stock and Barrel Canadian whiskey, Blue Blend. Wow, does this just add to the meal? Wow, what can I say? Absolutely stunning. Now it's time to taste our beverage. Delicious. This is for anybody who is a little bit younger or isn't just isn't quite ready for that much whiskey. This is an alternative that really helps out the ham. God, I can still smell it. This is disgusting. Drown it in other flavor. Yeah, so that is an alternative that just really, it hides a bit of that whiskey flavor. Now for the meal. And I gotta say, it turned out pretty good. Got a classy drink. Got some good old ham and mustard. Got a banana. And some peas. It all really goes together quite well. Feel free to try this out yourself. And thanks for stopping by. As always, I am the yeast of thought and mind, and I'll see you next time. I almost forgot this, but this week's movie recommendation is Robsessed, Inside the Life of Robert Pattinson. Follow him during his time of peak Twilight stardom in this 100-minute long movie. Wow, isn't this just an action-packed adventure? Banana and ham does not go well together.